I need a big truck.
Are you moving house today?
Yes, I am moving today.
Do you have much furniture?
Yes, I have 3 beds.
Do you need strong movers?
Yes, I need 2 men.
When should we come there?
Can you come this morning?
Is 10 o'clock good time?
Yes, 10 is very good.
What is your old address?
I live on Main Street.
Where are you moving to?
I move to Park Street.
Is the new house big?
Yes, it is very big.
Do you have paper cash?
I have paper cash ready.
How much is the truck?
It is exactly $50.
Will you bring big boxes?
Yes, we bring strong boxes.
Thank you for your help. I will be waiting here.
See you at 10 o'clock.
We must pack the kitchen.
Where are the small boxes?
They are on the table.
Do you have packing tape?
Yes, the tape is here.
Should we wrap the glasses?
Yes, use this soft paper.
Are the glasses very fragile?
Yes, they break very easily.
Did you write on box?
What should I write down?
Write the word kitchen here.
I wrote it very big.
Is this box too heavy?
No, it is quite light.
Where do I put it?
Put it near the door.
Do we pack the plates?
Yes, pack them very carefully.
We work very fast today.
Yes, the kitchen is empty.
Are you tired right now?
No, I am feeling strong.
Let us pack the bedroom.
We need bigger boxes now.
Let us move the sofa.
Is the sofa very heavy?
Yes, it is very heavy.
Should we lift it together?
Yes, lift on count 3.
Are you holding it tight?
Yes, I am holding it.
Walk to the door slowly.
Can we fit through door?
Turn it to the right.
Is it turning okay now?
Yes, we are outside now.
Where is the moving truck?
It is parked right there.
Should we use the ramp?
Yes, the ramp is easier.
Put it down right here.
Did you hurt your back?
No, my back is fine.
Do we have more furniture?
We must bring the bed.
Let us drink some water.
I need cold water too.
We are a good team.
We work very well together.
We arrived at new house.
Where do we put boxes?
Put kitchen boxes right there.
Where does the sofa go?
Put it in living room.
Should we place it here?
Yes, near the big window.
Do you like this house?
Yes, it is very bright.
Are the neighbors very quiet?
I do not know yet.
Did we unload everything today?
Let me check the truck.
Is the big truck empty?
Yes, the truck is empty.
Did we break any glasses?
No, everything is perfectly safe.
We did a great job.
Yes, we worked very hard.
Are you hungry right now?
Yes, I want to eat.
Let us buy some food.
I will buy some burgers.
That sounds like a good idea.
The moving is totally finished.
Are you happy with us?
Yes, you worked very fast.
We always work very hard.
How much is the total?
It is exactly $80.
Will you take paper cash?
Yes, we take paper cash.
Here is your exact money.
Do you want a receipt?
Yes, give me a receipt.
Here is the printed paper.
I have a small tip.
Is this tip for me?
Yes, it is for you.
Thank you. You are kind.
You were very careful today.
We did not break anything.
Enjoy your evening now, Alex.
Have a very good night.
See you next time, friends.
Goodbye and good luck, Sam.